If someone asks you right now, who is your customer, how will you reach them, could you answer both confidently? If not, your marketing strategy isn't yet done. And that's a problem. Because those are the two questions your business plan needs to answer. And let's fix that. Welcome back. In this series, we are breaking down every fundamental of business planning, and today we are focusing on marketing strategy. Now, here is where most people go wrong. They treat this as a checklist, pick a platform, set a budget, and move on. But marketing strategy is not about which platform you choose. It's about how will you reach the right people with right messaging and the right cost. There are 6 parts to this, and I will walk you through all of this with one simple example. Daily Grind Coffee, a neighborhood coffee shop for remote workers and freelancers. Let's get into it. First, define your target customer. This is where more marketing strategies fall apart immediately. Don't say our target market is coffee lovers. That's too vague. Be specific. For Daily Grind Coffee, target customers might be remote workers, freelancers who need quiet, reliable space with great coffee and good Wi-Fi. That's much stronger. The more clearly you define who you are trying to reach, the easier everything else becomes. Your channels, your budget, your messaging, all of it. Next, your value proposition. This is the clear one reason your target customers should choose you over other options. And the great coffee, that's not your value proposition. That's a base expectation. For Daily Grind Coffee, it might be the only work-friendly cafe in the area with fast Wi-Fi, quiet hours, no limits on sitting. One sentence, clear and specific. That's what goes into your plan. Now, choose your marketing channels. These are the places where your customer actually discovers you. The mistakes most businesses do is they are trying to reach everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, flyers, emails, partnerships. That's more like a panic list. Your channel should come from your customer, where exactly they are spending time. For Daily Grind Coffee, Instagram is for local discovery and Google Business Profile is for coffee shops near me searches. 2 channels are better than 10 channels done randomly. Next, your messaging. This is what you actually say when you show up on your channels. Lots of businesses sound the same here. We are best coffee in the town. Come try our new blend. That's a feature, not messaging. Good messaging talks about customers' pain, not your product. For Daily Grind Coffee, tired of working from noisy cafe? We are built for focus, fast Wi-Fi, quiet mornings, no rush. See the difference? You are not selling a coffee, you are solving a problem. Now your budget and resources. Even rough numbers matter. When your plan says we'll use social media, that means nothing. When it says we'll spend $250 a month on Instagram ads within 5-mile radius, that's your plan. Put your number next to your channels. For Daily Grind, that could look like $250 on Instagram ads, $50 on Google Business Profile optimization, and that's total $300 a month. It makes your plan 10 times more credible. Finally, set a goal and track it. You don't need complicated analytics. Just pick one matrix that tells you if your marketing is working. For Daily Grind, new customer per week. That's it. If that number is growing, you are on track. If not, something needs to change. Write it clearly in your plan. We will track every customers through our POS system, review it every Monday. So when you sit down to plan your marketing strategy, here is exactly what to cover. Start with your target customer, one clear value proposition, your marketing channels, then your message, your budget, and finally your goal and how you will track them. That is your marketing strategy. And that's exactly Upmetrics AI is built for. It walks you through and write each and every section step by step, so you are not staring at blank page. Link is in the description. And in the next video, we are covering sales strategy. Because getting attention is one thing, turning that attention into actual revenue, that's what really matters. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Until then, happy business.